Are you a professional organizer? Yes, I am. You look so young. Yes, I am from O2. Auntie Wu. Aren't you unfamiliar with the things in your home? So I found an organizer for you. Next week you'll be cooking, right? Right? You have the next 2 days off. So today I had this organizer. Help you put away and organize things in your home. Mainly to prepare for the house. Okay, it's fine. Because for the things in my home, I feel a bit messy. Okay, there's no messy hair. It's just that a lot of the time things that seem to be organized are just sitting there. But next time it might still be messy. Right. Underneath here you've piled up spices and such. And over here you've put bowls and plates. Yes, Chinese bowls and plates. Underneath this you've put miscellaneous items, things you use. Yes, that kind of thing. You're using cling film now. Over here are also some. Yes, okay, spices and spices are kept separate. Over here are some pots, placed very neatly. Here are my utensils. As for the utensils, I don't think the way they're placed looks very good. Can you redesign it for me? Teach me. Yes, I can help you buy whatever you need. Okay. Down here are the cups. Nice. There's actually quite a lot of space up here. Because I don't like to clutter my home with too many things. You two should both learn. You can give me some tools and I'll go buy them. I brought a few. When will I need anything else? If I need anything else I'll let you know. Okay, sure. Here are my cups and things. See, this is my vase. This is my hot pot. These are my snacks, the snacks. There are cups here too. So today do you want to focus on getting this done? Sure, let's start. Okay, and I need to confirm with you again. Our room fee is 200 yuan per person per hour. Okay, the two aunties will also participate. Okay, the main thing is to teach these two. Because at home it's usually them I am responsible for. I usually don't bother with you. I can talk to you for a bit. The most important thing is his husbands. His clients. So fragrant. Don't mess with me. Okay, got it. I'll confirm with auntie later. We're here too. We're here too. As for the time it's 12:55 now. I'll start counting from 1 o'clock. Okay, give it back to me. You've miscounted. Let me see. Yes. It's fine. Thanks. Spread it out, spread it out. Yes, it's okay here. Yes. These stools can be moved first, okay? Move to the side. Move the stools to the side. My aunt will help move these two to the side. Don't touch anything else. Just tidy up. Tidy up. This aunt. You just need to take these seasonings out. Then divide them up and check their expiry dates. The range hood also needs to be cleaned. Wow, so many. These have all gone bad. Not sealed. If you don't help me seal it, don't seal it at all. I just opened it yesterday. I opened it yesterday. When you open it you have to seal it. But there's no clip. Is there a clip? Clip it. Buy it. Clip it again and place an order. Buy it back. This little spot. Can't you place an order? So fast. Quickly the first time let one person manage the photo. Know whoever is responsible for what manages what. From today onwards it's decided like this. Teeth are smooth, no need. Teeth do this little thing. Yes, it can't hold. Look at the whole thing. I still don't know. Forgot to load. You don't say I haven't done it either. I haven't done this. I haven't done it either. You haven't done it either. You research one thing and you research one item. Is that enough? This cup must be taken out. Okay, bring it over first. Doesn't scrape tightly. Doesn't scrape tightly. Push it in. The kitchen is here. Hello. Good, clean the range hood. Good, good, good. Come in. Normally how often is this cleaned? Twice every 2 months is fine. It seems like it's been twice in 2 months for me too. Let's clean the outside first, then the inside. Because the technician is working on that range hood. Then let's put the tea down. There's a lot of tea. Okay, this is for auntie. This is for auntie to drink. Auntie's drink. Let go. I'll drink it. I'll give it to you. Where's your drink? If you don't drink they all come to drink. Good night every day. These red dates are actually quite big. You can put them directly here. You drink red dates a bit lower. Because I am drinking. Can't hold it. Auntie, you can get a drink on this floor. This can be replenished from outside. Okay, then I know. How is this used? Put it up higher. Good. Fragrant. Do you want to put a board on it? Not this. This should be kept. Right. Okay. Fish. This is too sweet. So sweet it makes my teeth ache. Here, take it. I'll give it to you like this. What smells so good? What's that scent? What scent? I smell the range hood. The smell of cooking. It has pepper in it. The smell is strong. That's not good. He said spring is full of it. So get ready. You're drinking tea. This frees up space because Aunt Wu introduced him to things. Where did he put it? Aunt Wu, look. This is where snacks are kept. This looks very, very refreshing. Right. Convenient to hold too, right. Need to use ingredients. No need to add. Come take a look later. Where did this go? Okay, my brain is troubled. Then I'll pack this small set. This box costs 15 yuan each. You use as much as you want. Pay for what you use. I brought a total of 6. Okay, these are all for hot pot. Put them with the hot pot stuff. The top is for hot pot. Put the barbecue below your lid is like this. The inside can't be worse, it's all clean. After using it this time we can't use the grill to cook. Can you give it a scrub? I used to go to that place, scrub it for 4 days and then wipe it. Scrub it for 4 days and it'll be clean. It'll be clean, right? You have 1 too. Okay. Done. You're kidding. What are you saying? Wow, where did Auntie go? Let me see. Here, you're here. You need to take a look, otherwise you won't be able to find things when you cook. This little one can be replaced with a new one. Replace it, yes, replace them all with new ones. This one use some first, otherwise I won't be able to find it later. Then take these two. You take them first. Take them first, they arrange the kitchen stuff themselves. They won't know later. Okay, then let's first put the powdered seasonings. Put them here. Powdered ones go here. Yes. I'll get you one. Wait a moment. It's all powder, isn't it? Oh, put this kind at the bottom. Don't pile it all up there. I'll look for it again and again. Didn't you say to put the powder there? Put this kind at the bottom. You think it's basically not used much, right? Bye. Thank you. I'll open the door for you. Goodbye, master. Your school bag is gone. That's it then. No need. Okay. Auntie, can you help me take this off? Miss, let me tell you, this is for long-term use. This is new, never used. Don't mix them together. Can you take this off and put the removed ones together? This is enough. Are you taking it off or not? Take it off. I'll push it for you. They can't be put together. This is for long-term use. Let's put them together to dye them and show you. Then just put it like this. This way, put the quick mop here. This is for braised duck with potatoes. You still recognize this. Storage is quite important. You have to know a lot of things, otherwise you won't know. What is it for? It's not really suitable to collect. How long have you been collecting and learning? If we collect, learning is very fast, you can finish learning when you're young. But if you want to be proficient, maybe when you're young. Will you need to wear wine? Do you still need this? This is also needed. The clamping mode. No, this is for decoration. This is for plating. Here are the kitchen tools. Right. Then that's it. Okay, then I need to introduce you. This problem. Okay. Auntie, you two walk around and listen. The main things on top are the cookware we don't often use, like the wok. Hot pot. Below is for barbecue, right? Yes, that's right. Here on the left you said it's for steak. Including the dining table. Then this area. This is all our snack and beverage area. This is all tea bags. All these are snacks. Yes, all snacks. These are my supplements. Right, this shelf is for supplements. This shelf is for alkaline water. Here's my protein powder. This is where the vases are. Yes, all vases. The left half has slightly larger ones. The right half has smaller ones. Now let's talk about the kitchen. Right, Auntie, please sit down. Should I put this here? That's not for dried goods. This is for our own drinking water. Let me explain. I'll dig it out. This is how it is. Plates for eating. Below this is more plates, more washing up. As for seasonings, that's all. The overall cabinet. Below it is a large pot. This pot is ready. Take it out. This can be pulled out, Auntie. This can be fully pulled out. It can be fully pulled out. It can be pulled out. Then there are graters and gloves for grating. Steel wool. This half is for spoons. Scissors and such, for making dumplings. These are all labeled. This is good. Found it right? You have to cut a bit. Yes, from now on, well, organize according to this standard. Okay, so this makes it a total of. It took 3 hours and 20 minutes. The service fee is 667. For the material fee, mainly for those storage boxes. That's 140 yuan. The total is 1807. Okay, the total amount is 2807. No way, then take that thing out. I can take it back too. Bye. Just leave it there. Someone will come to collect it. Okay. Aunt Wu. Public health here. What happened here? When mopping the floor, did you not move the stool? Look at the mark from the trash can. Can this not be removed? Too dirty. No, oh my god. It's grown today. The sleeves went in. It's not been 1 or 2 days. What should we do? Take out the mop. Squeeze a little on top. Then wipe with a tissue and see. I am eating heartily now. How do I clean it? Can't wipe it off? Can't wipe it off. Use toilet bowl cleaner and cover it. Then wait 15 minutes, then wipe with a wet tissue. No, not in the study either? Isn't this it? Aunt Wu, this is it. That toilet cleaner. Yes, it's toilet bowl cleaner. This is it. I don't know if it can be cleaned. It needs to soak. Little stomach. Dangerous. Wrong cleaner. Wrong cleaner. Let's change it later. Okay. Welcome anyone inside who wants it. Vegetarian Arhat's home. Delicious or not, it's fine. Time to eat. Dinner's ready. That outfit is so cool. And the dishes are right too. And there's a dish vegetarian Arhat's home. Okay. This smells delicious. You should have said earlier. Let's add it to the meal. This is it. There's a stuffed cloth here. Today at home. Everything's been put away. Afterwards just follow that. Put the lid back on. Okay, Aunt Wu knows now. Do you know where things are? Here. Tomorrow we'll mainly take Aunt Wu out. Then in the afternoon you guys can leave. Can Aunt Wu get used to it? What kind of egg fried rice? Okay, but it's not very appetizing. Not very appetizing. Put it away like this, less business. Just eat the vegetables.